Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader. Enter the Milwaukee threading tool, a cordless marvel that goes beyond expectation by being compatible with accessories from various brands. Ideal for pipes ranging from 3.2 to 5.1 mm in diameter. It can perform 60 operations on a single charge, particularly efficient with 12.7 mm diameter pipes. Elevate your threading game with this versatile tool, available for $2,295. Wubo Weld TRX 800. The creator of this welding helmet made an intriguing observation, noting that 90% of welders don't utilize power-assisted air purifying respirators or paper units due to their weight and cost. In response, the creator developed a welding helmet with a lighter paper unit, approximately 30% lighter than others. The helmet facilitates quick filter changes and even includes a built-in speaker. Digital Angle Finder. A digital angle finder is a valuable tool for both amateurs and professionals. The showcased model on the screen boasts top-notch accuracy in its class. With a precision of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, it can be securely set at desired angle for easy marking when needed. Powered by AAA battery, the LED display shows data clearly in any lighting condition. The angle finder also includes rulers with millimeter and inch scale. The price is angle finder is $35. Terra Plunge. The creators of Terra Plunge offer a swift solution for clearing pipes without resorting to household chemicals or plungers. This tool utilizes compressed air with pressure up to 6 bars to effectively clear pipes of organic matters and debris, including items like napkins. It comes with adapters, making it suitable for use in toilet bowls as well. The price for this tool is $32. Optima Chisel Plane. Turning the traditional chisel plane into a compact powerhouse, this tool proves that size doesn't compromise its capabilities. Priced at $120, it opens up an opportunities to work in confined spaces, where larger counterparts can maneuver effectively. The versatility extends to your preference handles, offering a choice between maple or cocabolo wood, while the core strength remains unaltered with American A2 tool steel. Embracing efficiency in smaller packages, this chisel plane delivers precision without sacrificing power. Sembre TW18B. Crafted with the needs of railroad professionals in focus, this cordless torque wrench is engineered to endure frigid temperatures, stoically standing its ground even in icy condition, as extreme as -20 degrees Celsius. Boasting a formidable maximum torque of 250 Nm, it becomes a reliable ally for threading connection, all while maintaining a manageable weight of 14 kilograms, light enough to a lone worker to carry effortlessly. The built-in color display not only showcases the precise setting, but also adds a touch of sophistication to the tool's functionality. As a modern twist, it goes beyond the conventional work. Support with USB drivers, ensuring seamless convenience for work reporting. Rodenberger DeBurr. Designed for air conditioning and plumbing installers, the DeBurr emerges as a handy tool adept at working with both copper and stainless steel pipes. Its efficiency shines as it skillfully expands, holds up to 54 mm. Weighing a mere of 400 grams, This compact powerhouse is available at the price of $129, offering a lightweight solution without compromising on its whole expanding capabilities. Roller Cleaner. Attention painters! Innovative solutions are here to simplify your work. Introducing a versatile tool that functions as both a scraper and a roller cleaner. Designed to clean rollers up to 23 centimeters wide, this tool ensures your painting equipment stays in top condition. Enhance your painting experience with this handy tool, available for purchase at the unbeatable price of $7. CRAFTSMAN Sword Form Shaver. Carpentry enthusiast rejoice! Here's a valuable addition to your toolkit. A rack equipped with snap-secure blades for effortless replacement. Weighing a mere 45 grams, this lightweight marvel ensures easy handling. The standard kit includes a 10 cm wide curved blade. Perfect for efficiently shaving corners. Elevate your woodworking experience with this kit, available at an affordable price of $10. Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit. Say goodbye to the traditional method of changing light bulbs with chairs or ladders. Unger Professional now have a safer and more efficient option. This innovative device features telescopic handles ranging from 1.2 to 6 meters in length, ensuring a secure handling even for compact fluorescent lamps. The set includes a 3.3 meter handle and 5 interchangeable grips, providing a comprehensive solution for just $50. Upgrade your light bulb changing experience with Unger. Laser Vacuum Plate 300. Efficiently detect leaks in roofing membranes with this vacuum testing system, designed for materials such as HCPE, vinyl, EPDM, and more. The system weighs 7.7 kilograms, ensuring portability and ease of use. The VAR flow valve allows for precise regulation of vacuum pressure, enabling effective inspection of even thin membranes. Ensure the integrity of roofing materials with this reliable and convenient testing solution. Format Folding Spotlight. Illuminate your workspace with this powerful spotlight. With a battery life of 4.5 hours, this versatile tool allows you to adjust brightness from 1,500 to 5,000 lumens. The tripod extends a height of 1.9 meters, providing flexible lighting solution. Weighing in 5.2 kilograms, this spotlight is both portable and powerful, making it an ideal choice for various applications. Light up your work area with a perfect combination of efficiency and flexibility. Wall Comb Air Blower Pro. Step up your auto repair game with a Wacom 6150 blower, specially designed for drying various coatings like car enamel. This powerful tool delivers a remarkable 40% increase in airflow, reaching a pressure of 3 bar and an impressive airflow rate of 265 liters per minute. Enhance your efficiency with a Wacom 6150 blower, available for purchase at $102. Global Industrial 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. Introducing a versatile addition to your toolkit, the multi-table. Beyond its primary function, this tool can serve as a step, dolly, and creeper. With a height range of 9 to 77 centimeters and a double-sided tabletop, it offers flexibility for various tasks. The inclusion of 3 110 outlets enhances its utility. Elevate your workspace with this multifunctional table, available for $194. Dot Shot. Elevate your packaging and warehouse operation with Dot Shot Dispenser, a favored choice for its versatility with cans in plastic. This efficient dispenser creates a line of glue dots spaced 3.2 mm apart. Easily adaptable to various materials, acquire the dot shot dispenser for $80 and don't forget to grab an additional roll of tape for $18 to keep your operation running smoothly. Bow Feather Board. Elevate your woodworking precision with this feather board, an essential tool for applying consistent pressure against a workpiece, especially when using a circular saw. What makes these feather boards stand out are their innovative feathers crafted from EVA, providing 5 times more kickback resistance compared to plastic alternatives. Enhance your woodworking experience with a feather board featuring 6 feathers, available for $35. Add this tool to your arsenal for improved accuracy and safety in your woodworking projects. Ox Pro Claw Bar. Step up your hammer game with this unique design that goes beyond the typical nail driving capabilities. Sporting a special head and non-slip handle, this hammer is not just for hammering nails, it excels at prying and removing them too. Choose from 2 sizes, 25 cm or 30 cm, with the larger variant available at a cost of $21. Upgrade your toolkit with this versatile and efficient hammer. Einhell Brillanto. The Einhell Brillanto, a cordless tool designed for efficient window cleaning. This innovative device not only cleans surfaces, but also collects water. For reaching higher spots, a 120 cm extension is available, and various attachments make it versatile for use on tiles, shower stalls, and more. The tool, excluding the battery, is priced at $58, offering a convenient solution for keeping your windows and surfaces sparking clean. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Einhell Brillanto.